Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this dual cassette Onkyo player and recorder. The model number is TA-RW414. But before we get into it, did you know that there's 4 different types of cassettes? Yeah, you can get type 1, 2, 3, or 4. But now that you know that, let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of it, you have your record input right here, and then your line out for playback. Then you have a remote control input and output right there for connecting it to a system. And then to connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable, and if you plan on recording from another source, you'll plug in a cord to the record input, and then connect your power cord. And then once it's all set up, you can go ahead and power it on and insert a tape. And something that's really nice about this deck is both decks are play and record decks, so you can record with deck A or B. And you have auto reverse as well, so that you don't have to flip the tape around. You can play side A or side B without taking the tape out. So on the front panel of the device, you have your power button right here, and then your play functions right here. You can do play side B or play side A, and then you have your stop button, rewind, fast forward, record, and record pause. And then you have an eject button right here, and then you have normal and high-speed dubbing. And then there's auto space, record again for the other deck, rewind, fast forward, and then your play side B and stop and play side A. And then you can adjust the input level for recording right there. And then you have a phones jack for connecting some headphones to it. You can select the reverse mode right here. You can do continuous play or play once. And then you have Dolby noise reduction. You can set it to B or C. And we'll go ahead and show you the dubbing really quick. Make sure you have a recordable tape in deck B, because it'll dub to deck B. And this deck does feature HX Pro and 2-motor computer control. That's pretty much all there is for this Onkyo dual cassette deck. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.